Good morning to all of you. Today I am going to teach you about the chemical reaction and chemical equation. Let us see what is chemical reaction. Today your topic is chemical reaction. The name of this lesson is chemical reaction and chemical equation. What is chemical reaction? Chemical reactions is also known as chemical change. A chemical change, that is a chemical reaction, is defined as the change in which chemical composition and chemical properties of the reacting substances undergo a permanent change, is known as chemical change or chemical reaction. A reaction in which a change in which new substance is formed, that is called chemical change or chemical reaction. As a result of chemical change, the substance involved change their identity. They are changed into entirely new substances. The new substances thus formed are called products. In chemical reaction, the substance which are participate is known as reactant, and after reacting something is formed is known as product. The properties of the new substances, that is products, and reacting substances are quite different to each other. It is practically impossible to get back the original substances from the product by simple physical and chemical methods. The examples of the chemical change or chemical reaction is burning of candle, rusting of iron, and process of combustion in which coal or wood or oil is consumed. These are the examples. Hydrogen and oxygen. If hydrogen and oxygen combine to each other to form water, let us see how does water form. Hydrogen and water. Hydrogen and water combine, react to each other to make water. Hydrogen and oxygen, these are called the reactant. Reactant means the substance who participate in reaction is called the reactant. Here hydrogen and oxygen is the reactant. Hydrogen and oxygen react to each other to form new substance, water. This is called chemical reaction. It is called chemical reaction because in this reaction new substance, water, is formed. I am taking another examples. Calcium hydroxide, CaOH voltage. Aqueous. Aqueous means solution in water, plus CO2. When calcium hydroxide react to carbon dioxide, what will be formed? Let us see. When calcium hydroxide react to carbon dioxide, after reacting they will form calcium carbonate, CaCO3 plus water. These are the example of chemical reaction. Here in each reaction new substance is formed. If you burn wood, after burning wood convert into ash, from S it will not possible to get back wood. I mean to say that chemical reaction, chemical change means a reaction, a change in which new substance is formed. That's okay. Let us take an activity for to understand about the chemical reaction. This activity is given in your syllabus in your course. There are 2 or 3 questions comes every year in the annual examination. To study that metal react with oxygen to form metal oxide. मेटल ऑक्सीजन से रिएक्शन करके मेटल ऑक्साइड बनाती हैं. एज यू नो दैट व्हेन मेटल रिएक्ट विथ ऑक्सीजन टू मेक टू फॉर्म मेटल ऑक्साइड. टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस एक्टिविटी take magnesium ribbon and clean the surface of magnesium ribbon by rubbing it with sandpaper to remove the dust. From these lines, one very important question come in the examination. Clean the surface of magnesium ribbon by rubbing it with sandpaper to remove the dust. Question is, why magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air? जब हम मैग्नीशियम रिबन को जलाते हैं तो जलाने से पहले हम मैग्नीशियम रिबन को सैंड पेपर से साफ़ क्यों करते हैं, उसको क्लीन क्यों किया जाता है, ये क्वेश्चन अक्सर पूछा जाता है. तो मैं आपको बता दूं, मैग्नीशियम रिबन भी क्लीन बिफोर बर्निंग इन एयर because magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air because magnesium ribbon must be cleaned before burning in air so that the layer of magnesium oxide which is formed due to reaction of magnesium with air can be removed in order to get the desired chemical reaction. मैग्नीशियम रिबन को जलाने से पहले उसको साफ़ इसलिए किया जाता है क्योंकि जो मैग्नीशियम रिबन होती है, जो एटमॉस्फेयर, जो इन्वायरमेंट की ऑक्सीजन होती है, मैग्नीशियम से रिएक्ट कर जाती है और रिएक्ट करके मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड की एक लेयर उस मैग्नीशियम रिबन पर चढ़ जाती है. तो जब हम उसको जलाएंगे तो साफ़ करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड की लेयर को बिना साफ़ किए हुए मैग्नीशियम रिबन को जला नहीं सकते. तो इसीलिए मैग्नीशियम रिबन भी क्लीन बिफोर बर्निंग इन एयर. तो नाउ लाइट ए बर्नर, होल्ड द मैग्नीशियम स्टिक केयरफुली विथ पेयर ऑफ टंग. ब्रिंग वन एंड ऑफ द मैग्नीशियम स्टिक इन कॉन्टैक्ट विथ द फ्लेम ऑफ दिस बर्नर. नाउ this magnesium ribbon begins to burn. Now what we observe, अब ऑब्जर्वेशन करिए, देखिए क्या ऑब्जर्वेशन होता है. जब इस मैग्नीशियम रिबन को हम इस बर्नर से जलाते हैं तो जो इन्वायरमेंट एटमॉस्फेयर की जो ऑक्सीजन होती है वो इस मैग्नीशियम से रिएक्ट करके मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड बना लेती है. तो you will observe that the magnesium ribbon burns with a dazzling white flame and change into white powder. This powder is called the magnesium oxide. It is formed due to reaction between the magnesium and oxygen present in the air. After burning, magnesium ribbon convert into white powder. White powder में convert हो जाता है. और white powder में convert क्यों होता है? Because due to the reaction between the magnesium and oxygen, magnesium ribbon is converted into white powder. Let us study another example of chemical reaction. This activity is also given in your syllabus. Zinc metal reacts with dilute HCl to evolve hydrogen gas. When zinc react to hydrochloric acid, hydrogen gas is formed. For this activity, take a conical flask. This is conical flask, and put some zinc granules in it. Add some dilute hydrochloric acid to this glass tube. This is glass tube. ये glass की एक tube है. Do you observe anything happening around the zinc granules? And now touch the conical flask. What happened? When you touch this conical flask, you will see that the temperature rises. What do you observe? We observe that when zinc react to hydrochloric acid, the gas bubbles are formed. The gas bubbles are formed around this zinc granules. Now hydrogen gas is released due to reaction between the zinc and hydrochloric acid. Now, how can we say that coming out gas is hydrogen gas? For the testing of hydrogen gas, you brought burning splinter close to the mouth of glass tube. You will see that burning splinter burns with pop sound. This activity, this burning of splinter with pop sound indicates that coming out gas is हाइड्रोजन गैस. हाइड्रोजन गैस का जब हम परीक्षण करते हैं तो एक जलती हुई तीली अगर हाइड्रोजन गैस के पास ले जाए और जलती हुई तीली यदि पॉप साउंड चट चट की आवाज़ अगर करके अगर जलती है तो समझिए कि हाइड्रोजन गैस है. ये हाइड्रोजन गैस की टेस्टिंग है. जब भी हाइड्रोजन गैस का टेस्ट होता है तो पॉप साउंड उसमें से निकलती. कभी कभी आपने देखा होगा कि जब आपके घर किचन में खाना वगैरह बनता है तो कभी कभी आग जलती है चूल्हे पे तो चट चट की आवाज़ आती है तो वो हाइड्रोजन गैस होती है जो चट चट पॉप साउंड की आवाज़ करके जलती है. तो इट मीन्स इन केमिकल रिएक्शन फिजिकल स्टेट ऑफ सब्सटेंस में चेंज. इफ you touch the conical flask containing zinc granule and dilute hydrochloric acid, it found to be hot. The temperature arises. जब रिएक्शन होती है जिंक और हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड की तो हाइड्रोजन गैस बनती है और साथ ही साथ जो कॉनिकल फ्लास्क होता है इसका जो सरफेस है ग्लास का ये गर्म हो जाता है. तो इन दिस वे वी कैन से दैट this reaction is the exothermic reaction because a reaction in which heat is released, that is called the exothermic reactions. Now today your class is over. You will watch this video many times and write these topics in your SW copy. Then till namaskar.